Wish I'd brought popcorn for the show.
Hope that fucker's actually here.
Oh, first aid cabinet. Am I pleased to see you?
Nice that there's all this shit just laying around. I'm out of here. You're coming with me.
Assault rifle here. I'll take it. Supply crate.
What if something that wanted to...
Ah, there you are. The General said I should be expecting you. You're just in time. I think you're going to like this.
I dressed
Thanks,
as a
Holly.
nurse for Halloween once. Seems like a fucking stupid idea now.
You are witness to the beginning of the end, my friends.
Yes! You did it!
You'll see the culmination of my work.
What's going on?
I don't understand. All my calculations were correct.
Why don't you use more gas?
Unfortunately, supplies have been hard to come by. That was the last.
Then let's get out of here.
You have no idea what it costs to get this far. There's too much invested to simply abandon.
Okay, but let's make it quick. Let's do this.
Get my research, meet me at the truck, and be quick about it.
Ooh, shiny.
Stand still. I'll hurt you some more. We've got a problem. Or will have.
You can't help but admire it. From such a simple form to these amalgamations of destruction.
Oh shit, they see me!
Ooh, spending other people's money. Don't mind if I do.
Yeah, I needed this.
trouble once I get the bullets back in this gun.
Quickly! Make sure you get everything.
One left.
It's like a grab bag, but with the good stuff. Keep that thing away from me!